How to fix PlayStation error E-8210604A. 1. Recheck then edit your payment info. Pat. Settings account management account information wallet. 2. Re-register card. Pat. Settings account management account information wallet. 3. Using a different card. 4. Add money to your wallet. Pat. Settings account management account information wallet add funds. 5. Change email address. 5.1 Console players, settings account management account data login ID enter new email. 5.2 PC users, your account security section login ID enter new email. 6. Wait for some time and contact PS support team.